Seva Logistics set up a new kind of challenge for the Scuderia Ferrari HP drivers. Lewis Hamilton.
No, you're not making sense to me. Sorry, the next step's over.
And Charles Leclerc.
So good job, Seva. Wait. How many items in your shipment belong to category A1?
A1.
An escape game. Inspired by the real-world logistics issues Seva teams face every day. The goal? Deliver the race kit on time for the Miami Grand Prix. They'll need to find the right route, clear customs, and overcome unexpected obstacles along the way. In logistics, like on the track, every second counts. So, will they make it? So first, the drivers must evaluate the available routes and select the one that minimizes the carbon footprint as much as possible. 4 routes are available, but only one is optimal.
There's some confidential documents here.
So what's that? We've got some passes here. Check the control screen to identify routes affected by logistical disruptions or restrictions and eliminate them from your paper map. Which ones are the restrictions? Maybe these are those. This is 22,000 kilometers by boat, 30 days. Truck, 2 days, 782 kilometers. So this one is quick. This one is 12,200 kilometers, 17 days, plus 7 days. So that's obviously less. Well, that's plain.
Kerosene. Plane using kerosene.
Lewis is right. Planes are fast, but not the most CO2 efficient.
However, how do we calculate it? So, I'm on it. No
Wait,
worry.
hold a second, that was the blue route.
Everything is under control. I let you write. In the meantime, I try to check for every different... Oh, okay. So the CO2,
yeah,
that's 3,545 kilograms per 100 kilometers.
Yeah.
So 3,000
per 100 kilometers.
545 time.
No, it's 13,359 kilometers divided by 100.
Yes. That's exactly it. So, wait, is CO2 total 473,576.55. On this route, this is plain 26 kilograms.
The green route has got the boat. 4,401.
My God, the difference. 10 days delay by sea, so it's 26 time.
Just try one. The green route was really good.
Great job. Oh, Lewis, you found the right solution. Congrats. You don't even need a calculator.
Wait, hold on a second.
The drivers just received a message from Antonio, their logistics coordinator. Good news, the delivery is going smoothly. But there's a catch. If customs ask for documents, they'll need to find the key to access them. Antonio left a clue. It's hidden in safety. Let's see how they handle it.
Oh my God. Oh, yes. No, like here.
Santiago.
859. So wait, because all of them are giving different numbers.
Yep.
It was from Antonio B. That's Antonio M. I'll go for 639.
Good job. There's loads of keys.
Oh, why? Why? Antonio, come on. What have you done?
So many keys. Okay, which was it? Antonio's?
Yeah.
So it's number 78. There you go. 78 key.
Oh yeah, maybe. Ahead of time. Oh, nice! Yeah. This game is so easy. So, Lewis, I feel like I'm going back to school. Kit information.
Lewis and Charles must use these documents to confirm the contents of their kits with customs.
The question is, how many items in your shipment belong to category A1? So it's, how many of those are in my thing? It's per mechanical part. There's 1, 2, 3.
Suspension braking system.
It's 8. Oh, well done.
Which container includes items classified as G3?
What is G3? Beverage dispensers and preparation tools. C5. Are there any others? C4? Submit.
Oh, let's
well
freaking go, man. Which contain F3 devices?
F3 is portable air conditioning and ventilation system. C1.
Audio visual, this one, yeah.
C4. This one. So C5. God. Custom are a bit of a pain, I have to say. We are very lucky to have Seva as a partner for logistics. And that we are not doing logistics, that's why we are drivers.
Thank bloody God.
And we never have problems with logistics, so good job, Seva. Oh, what is that?
What is the total tonnage
of the kit? So it's 8 16, 23 and a
Oh,
half,
one second.
29,
7,
36,
7 again.
43. I'm sure.
Hey.
Boom.
Suddenly, a signal loss cuts off SIVA Control Center. With the help of a SIVA agent, Leclerc and Hamilton must activate the satellite unit and restore the connection. But they only have 10 minutes.
Okay, what are you saying, bruv?
I'm seeing loads of things, LH. If you start to see some smoke, come to my rescue.
Okay, so port 1 on cables. Port 1 must never be connected to port B.
Port 1,
Don't put 1 into B. Port 2 must be connected to A if port 1 is connected to C.
Cool, yeah, copy.
Port 3 must be connected to B if port 2 is already connected to A.
Yeah, that's fine. Go ahead.
Okay, fuses. There's 6 fuses here.
Yeah, I see some light. We are on our way.
Okay, slot 6 must contain an orange fuse.
Yeah, copy.
The blue fuse is assigned to slot 3. The orange fuse must be placed in a slot with an unlit LED.
I think it's this. I think we are done.
Okay, potentiometers.
Oh yeah, A, B, C, D.
If there are 2 orange fuses, A must be set to 8.
5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, copy.
If 3 LEDs are lit,
Yeah.
then B must be half the value of A.
You can pass to C.
If port 2 is connected to port A, then C is 3.
All good?
D must always be twice the value of C.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're good.
Good job, man.
No.
Good job. Button guide. This button must be pressed before entering the code. Then-
Oh, okay.
then your
Okay,
code
so
must
you go
be-
like this, and then you go.
Good job.
Error.
Hey, look at
Good job. Ah, no. Okay.
It's not there.
No, it's like this, look at that.
No, you got to press this one to enter the code.
Boom! 4259. 4, 2...
5-9.
Yeah.
Ay.
Come on.
Great job, man. Well done.
We have our parts to Miami.
Thanks to the expertise and quick thinking of both drivers, the kit was delivered on time.
Was cool.
That was fun.
Yeah, congrats. Yeah, great to see that everything is taken in account, no?
You don't see where it goes, you know?
Yeah.
It takes off on the track. I didn't know there's so much. I didn't know how much we're going, but I knew it would be a lot.
So it was super interesting to learn more about what's the behind the scene of the whole team and the parts and everything, and to see how much effort is put into and how much details is thought of is super cool.